Chapter 5 The Cabinet. Article 119. The administration and management of public services are entrusted to the Cabinet and to each minister in the matters of his portfolio. Article 120. Acts of the President of the Republic without ministerial countersignature are null and void. Article 121. The collected ministers from the Cabinet, its organization and duties are stipulated by law. The Cabinet has its own President. The President of the Republic presides over the Cabinet when he convenes it or when he attends its meetings. Article 122. The President of the Republic appoints and removes the President of the Cabinet from office. He appoints and removes other ministers with the recommendation and consent respectively of the President of the Cabinet. Article 123. It is the duty of the President of the Cabinet, who may be a minister without portfolio. 1. To be, after the President of the Republic, the authorized spokesperson for the government. 2. To coordinate the duties of the other ministers. 3. To countersign legislative and emergency decrees, and any other decrees or resolutions as stated in the Constitution and the law. Article 124. To be a minister, one must be Peruvian by birth, exercise his rights to citizenship, and have attained 25 years of age. Members of the armed forces and the national police may be ministers. Article 125. It is the duty of the Cabinet 1. To approve the bills submitted to Congress by the President of the Republic. 2. To approve legislative and emergency decrees enacted by the President of the Republic, as well as bills, decrees, and resolutions as set forth by law. 3. To deliberate on matters of public interest. 4. To perform other duties as set forth in the Constitution and law. Article 126. Any agreement of the Cabinet requires the affirmative voting of the majority of its members, and it is stated on record. Ministers shall not hold any other public office except legislative functions. Ministers shall neither be a manager of their own interests or those of third parties, engage in profitable activities, nor may they be involved in the administration or management of private enterprises or associations. Article 127. There are no interim ministers. The President of the Republic may entrust a minister to assume the duties of another on grounds of incapacity while retaining his portfolio. But such responsibility may neither exceed 30 days nor be transferable to other ministers. Article 128. Ministers are individually responsible for their own acts and for the presidential acts they countersign. All ministers are jointly liable for criminal and violating acts of the Constitution and for laws created by the President of the Republic or agreed to by the Cabinet, even when they dissent from the majority opinion, unless they immediately resign.